Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm going to be taking you through a brand new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Alright, coming into the back of the boat here, you're going to see this boat is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke. Got a nice ski pylon back here, pull a tube around. This one does have the safety rail with fender storage. Okay, this seat back here offers plenty of storage underneath here, and this is also hard insulated storage with the drain, so it doubles up as a cooler. This floor plan is called a single lounger dual helm because it's got the co-captaincy along with the captain's seat. Then you have the backrest here. It goes forward into a rear-facing lounger. It also drops all the way down, make into a sunbed. As we go forward, you can see this model is also equipped with the ottoman. Optional ottoman here. Just kind of nice, you can move around wherever you want. Also insulated, cooler as well. Here at the helm, you see this got a Samurai Go 9 glass dash. It's got the JL audio upgrade with 6 speakers, a sub and an amp, and wireless charging. Up in the front, we're going to have plenty of storage underneath all of these seats, in the floor, and under helm. So plenty of seating on this boat for everybody. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks, have a great day.